You can already see the red smoke trailing from the aircraft. That means the team are ready to go.
Now when you see someone jump out, let me know, okay? Oh, no one's getting outside this. We get up. Jump. Sure, I'm gonna jump.
And there they go. The 2025 Royal Air Force Parachute Display Team, the Falcons.
Look.
So there we have 8 good canopies. The team coach at the front, Sergeant Liam Lyons, is now gathering up the 6 members of the team that will make up the formation into the snake, ready to go into the first manoeuvre. And into the carousel. Carousel gets tighter and tighter. Flight Sergeant Liam Lyons giving instructions to the team before they break out into the sabre chase. Shields with the Union Jack and Sergeant Luke Riddle flying the RAF ensign. And as the team start to manoeuvre their way toward the drop zone now, they will definitely be able to hear you, so please give them a big round of applause. Everybody, please welcome the 2025 Royal Air Force Falcons Parachute Display Team. The team will now break off individually for a landing. So, landing in order, we have Flight Sergeant Liam Lyons. Please give him a round of applause. Sergeant Andy Lynch. Sergeant Gabe Colvin Moffitt. Sergeant Aaron Olds. Sergeant Rich Peregrine. Sergeant Greg Ashleby. And Riddle. Nice big drop zone for the team today. And that's all 8 safely on the ground. The team will now start preparing their equipment. Wet ground today, so they need to be very mindful of putting the parachutes on the wet ground. The red smoke canisters will be very hot, so they need to make sure their equipment and parachute canopy doesn't touch that. And they'll start preparing for the lineup.
You've got to go all the way back up, would you?
2025 Parachute display team. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Paul. That's super drop there, as always, from the Royal Air Force Falcons. Great to see that, and certainly very well enjoyed on the ground there down by the pier. Sadly, they are not big enough to stretch all the way along here, of course, but nonetheless, great to see them. I hope you'll have a good chat to them down at that end as well. Well, we got off to a good start.